is your Safari on the iPhone in English, but you prefer to use different language? In this video, I'll explain how to quickly change the language in Safari app. Watch till the end, and I will share some tips with you. Just start by going in Settings, and here finding this section Apps. Now in your apps, find Safari. For that, you can also use this search bar. And all you have to do is to find language section and set different language. For that, you can use one at your downloaded languages, or you can find this list of other languages from which you can choose preferred language. Now just tap it and save changes by going back. After that, you will see everything translated to the language which you have selected. For example, I selected Russian language, so everything is translated to the Russian language. Also, you'll see it right here on the top. So these are the pictures, videos, and so on. And yep, that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.